Hello everybody. Nowadays, I'm reaching to appear you how to purchase Arrive from Arrive Banks, a hidden gem for anybody looking to claim reasonable Arrive within the US. Arrive Banks are government organizations that offer empty or surrendered properties, frequently at costs much lower than the showcase. Typically a brilliant opportunity if you know how to explore the method. To begin with, you wish to find out in case your zone encompasses an Arrive Bank. Not each put does, but numerous cities and districts over the nation run them. Fair look online for your state or district Arrive Bank, and you'll discover websites posting accessible properties and sell-off dates. Following, see closely at the properties. These lands can be little parcels or greater packages, but most are tax delinquent or surrendered. Make beyond any doubt to check zoning rules and on the off chance that the Arrive has any liens or back charges, so you don't get caught off protect. Buying from an Arrive Bank ordinarily implies going through and sell off or submitting an offered. You'll enroll to take an interest, put your offered, and in case you win, you pay the cost furthermore any expenses. Be beyond any doubt, these deals are as is, no insurers or assessments. You'll too require cash or verification of reserves since conventional credits once in a while apply to Arrive buys from Arrive Banks. After paying, the Arrive Bank will exchange the deed to you, but it's keen to work with a genuine domain lawyer or title company to finalize everything legitimately. Sometime recently you bounce in, continuously visit the Arrive in the event that conceivable and investigate what you'll be able to construct or do there. Be careful for any covered up problems, and make beyond any doubt you have got a clear range for your speculation. Buying Arrive from Arrive Banks can be an awesome way to induce reasonable property and construct your future. On the off chance that you need more tips like this, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions underneath. Much appreciated for observing, and I'll see you another time.